This is Blooming Spring Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Let springtime blooms and cute woodland creatures be the focus of your handmade projects. We are sure you will feel the joy of spring when creating with this amazing kit. The stamps, dies, pattern paper, stencil and wide washi tape all work together perfectly to create many different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. In the kit you will receive Spring Fling Stamp and Die Bundle, Spring Meadows Cover Die, Blushing Blooms 6x6 Paper Pack, Watercolour Strokes Washi Tape, Stone Wall Stencil. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Blooming Spring Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.